Oh, welcome back here at 541. Happening today, the Macomb County Prosecutor's Office is hosting a telephone town hall meeting, and it's to discuss child support.
Well, let's get out to Nick Monticelli this morning. And Nick, this is aimed at helping families with child support issues, which can be extremely tough on a lot of households.
Yeah, absolutely detrimental if it's not coming in the way you need it to be. Pete Lucido is the prosecutor here in Macomb County. You know, we hear about town halls, and it's usually having to do with something political or helping the elderly. I've never heard of a town hall to try to sort out child support issues.
It's a complicated issue, and it's a good thing that we have the ability to come into the homes of those here in Macomb County. You know, child support is extremely important, but it's mandatory under state law. The prosecutor's office is obligated to establish paternity. That means to find the biological father, and then to go ahead and enforce a child support order. Anything over $5,000 is a felony if you're behind. We don't want to have to go ahead and arrest people. We just want compliance. We want to get you back on track, and we want you to do the right thing because children are our future and most important resource. We want to take care of them.
Seems like a nudge in the right direction. Really isn't something you don't want to put somebody in jail to fill those beds. You want to help the families and the children.
That's exactly what it's about. If you go online and register, as you're going to indicate, but the thing is, we have over $295 million of arrearages here in just Macomb County.
Really? $300 million?
Almost $300 million that is not paid. And the only way we're going to get this paid is to go ahead and get some compliance. And if not, we have to enforce the law. That's what it's there for.
All right, so today's town hall is a telephone situation. So if somebody needs some help, not just with getting child support, but just understanding the system, kind of run through what you and the chief will be doing as well.
We want individuals to understand it's hard to navigate what we need to do in this. People that don't know how to start a child support action, people that don't know how to get compliance or better yet enforcement, individuals that are behind and they know that there might be a warrant out for their arrest. We want to tell them what to do, how to go about, and we want them to understand we are going to cooperate with you. We just want to get you back on track. We want to make sure that the system's working, and we don't want this to build anymore. We want to reduce the amount, and this is an initiative that was started with our Macomb County Board of Commissioners. I got to thank them for what they did. They want to see that the children have every opportunity, and they are using the prosecutor's office as the enforcement arm because that's what the law says.
All right, so just to clarify then, if I'm behind on child support, you're saying that it would be okay to call in and have a conversation today. You're not going to lock somebody up right away.
No. And Nick, more importantly, if they come into the office and they're showing good faith to make compliance and to do the right thing, that's all we want. We want to get them started. And those that have lost their jobs or had a reduction in their income, we will help them get the reduction in their child support. Because if they don't have it coming in, then they're entitled to it by law.
Gotcha. Okay, so today's event, 7 o'clock, but you have to
7 p.m.
7 p.m. All right, so we can put the information there on the website right now. We've got all this on clickondetroit.com, and at the bottom of that article is a link to the Macomb County Prosecutor's Office. You can register for the event. It's free, it's open, but you have to register to get a phone call from their office in order to be able to get someone help. Pete, thank you very much for your time this morning. I appreciate it. We'll see you again in a couple hours. We'll talk about it all over again.
Thank Karen.
We'll take Karen. We'll too. All right, we're live here in Mount Clemens. Nick Monticelli, Local 4.
All right, Nick.